Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use index plus match function in Excel. Okay, so here you will see I have created a list. Okay, this is employee sales report. Okay, this is my employee name, this is location or area, this is sales report. Okay, 2022, 2023 and 2024, and here you will see index plus match this table. Okay, so I want that if I select any name here and any year here, the sales amount automatically appear in this box. So how to do it? So what you have to do first, here you will see you have to just go to name. Okay, then go to data, then here you will see data validation option, click on it. Okay, then click on list. Now here you have to choose the source, so this is the source. Okay, now click on enter, again click on OK. Now I can choose any one of the name. Okay, so I want to choose this one. Now go to again sales. Okay, now again create that list, drop down list, and click on list. Now source should be this 2022, 2023 and 2024. Click on OK. Now I will choose 23. Okay, now here you have to enter a formula. The formula is index. Click on type index. Okay, then it will ask for array. Array should be a whole cell. Okay, this is the whole 2022, 23 and 24 cell. Okay, now click on comma. Now here it will ask for row number. So for row number you have to type match. Okay, then bracket open. Now it will ask for lookup value. Okay, lookup value you have to select this name. Okay, then comma lookup array. So now lookup array will be this name. Okay, all the names. Now comma match type. So match type should be exact match. Okay, here you have to select exact match. Okay, now bracket close comma. Now it will ask for column number. Okay, so what will be column number? You have to again type match. Okay, bracket open. Now lookup value. So now lookup value will be this one. Now comma. Now lookup array. Now select the lookup array is this one. Okay, now comma. Now it will ask for exact match. So now just click on 0, type 0, bracket close, and again bracket close. Now click on OK. Now you will see if I choose any name here. Okay, now here will see automatically sales amount is changed. So like this you can use this index match plus match function or formula in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.